This is an Airbnb in Cullaville. It's called the Hideout in Cullaville. The owner first got in contact with us, I suppose it was maybe a couple of years ago now. They had a need for a balustrade around the area here and around the hot tub. Again, more so for a safety aspect because you're so close to a river. Plus then you have the windbreaker as well. So we came out, we measured the area. Again, we worked out exactly where the post needed to go. We cored the post into the concrete that they had here, measured for the glass, fitted the glass, and this is the end product that you see. Contact us at info@mournecraft.com.